Hi, and welcome to week 8, the last week of the semester. So congratulations, you are almost finished with this 8-week mini-mester in the Principles of Microeconomics. This week you have one chapter and you also have to take your final exam. So work hard this week and finish strong. You're almost done. Just a few words about each of those things. The first is about chapter 17. The focus of chapter 17 is the market structure called oligopoly. And oligopoly is when there's just a few firms dominating an industry. The big issue with oligopoly is how much should a firm produce. And this is fun because there's strategy involved in it. And you're introduced to the idea of game theory, which was developed by Nobel Prize winning economist John Nash. So I want to bring attention to an idea that is important in this chapter, and that's the idea that when each firm acts in its own self-interest, it may not necessarily be good for the group as a whole. This was a great insight that John Nash had, and it's illustrated in this short video clip which I have posted in announcements. So take a look at that. It's an interesting idea. He basically says that Adam Smith was incorrect, that one of the things we learn is that, we are made better off when we act in our own self-interest. Well, that's not necessarily true when we have a group of people acting together. So if all individuals act in their self-interest, the group as a whole suffers. So that's one of the takeaways from the study of oligopoly and through game theory. So I want you to take a look at that movie clip, and hopefully it'll help highlight some of the issues as you're reading through the textbook. Next, I just want to bring attention to the fact that your final is due on July 7th. It covers all the chapters that you have studied since the midterm exam. So that's chapters 10 plus chapters 13 through 17. There's a study guide and review notes posted in the week 8 assignment folder. One thing I want to emphasize is that my grades were actually due on July 7th, and that's the day your exams are due. I have already appealed and asked for an extension until July 8th, but that means I cannot give any of you an extension. I've already asked for an extension to submit my grades. You cannot be asking me. So I want you to make sure that you work on your assignments this week and complete them on time, because I am in a big time crunch to get your grades in. So barring any major catastrophe that can be evidenced through documentation, you need to get your exam in by July 7th. So hopefully that helps, and good luck. I enjoyed having you this semester. Thanks.